guys, it's your girl Ayn and you're watching Sunkissed Somewhere. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is Ayn Bernos and I do videos on travel, lifestyle, and confidence 3 times a week, every single week, or when I can. For today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my updated skincare routine for 2018. As you guys know, my face looking pretty good. And I'm really happy with the skincare routine that I've developed over the last couple of months, and so I'm gonna share them with you guys. Okay, so shall we begin? We shall. First off, before anything else, let's say on a regular day I would have makeup on. I would first start off with my simple skincare eye makeup remover, which will, you know, dissolve the makeup from my eyes. So eyeliner, whatever it is, I put this on a round cotton pad, do it like this, and then but then it's early in the morning and I don't have makeup, so I can't demonstrate it for you guys, but essentially this is the first one that I do. Afterwards, I use Simple Skincare's micellar cleansing water, and I just again put it onto a round cotton pad and then wipe my face with this because I want to remove all of the makeup, all of the gunk out before I actually wash my face. Now for my actual face wash, on a regular day I use Generosa Organics Green Tea Antioxidant Organic Soap, and I really love this because number one, it smells really good, and number two, I feel like it has a really good effect on my skin because I haven't used a generic commercial facial wash in a long time. I've only been using this and I feel like my skin's rewarding me for it. So you can get it from their Instagram page. It's generosa.ph. Okay, now 2 to 3 times a week I exfoliate my face, and this is when I feel like my face is getting problematic. Like for example, I missed a couple of days of skincare. I try not to do that, but it happens sometimes, especially when I'm traveling or when I'm just passing out after a night out, stuff like that. So I would exfoliate afterwards. I use St. Ives Blemish Control Applicant Scrub. This is a little bit controversial because a lot of people say that it's too rough on the skin, etc. But I only use this 2 to 3 times a week, so I don't really feel that bad and it works for me, so I'm just sharing with you guys what works for me. You can definitely, you should definitely explore a little bit, experiment a little bit, and ask your dermatologist if you have one. But for me, this works 2 to 3 times a week. Oh my god, I feel like I have allergies. Okay. So after I wash my face, I pat it dry, and then this one I can demonstrate because I've already washed my face and everything, but I haven't applied all the other stuff yet. So Celotex is a brand that I've grown to love the last couple of months because I feel like switching to Celotex has definitely like improved the overall condition of my skin. So for my toner, I use Celotex Dermoscience Hydration Alcohol-Free Toner. So this one, I put it on a round cotton pad, or if not, like sometimes I also just apply it without this and just apply it directly on my face. That works too. But for today, I'm gonna do this. Just enough to like gently have your skin absorb that. Oh my gosh, why do I feel like I'm going to sneeze? Anyway, there is still a little bit of makeup left, so I'm just gonna now I'm gonna let that dry a little bit because it doesn't dry immediately, so I need to kind of let it sink into my skin. After that, I'm gonna use Quick Effects' eye lift cream, and I do this morning and night. So this makeup routine, this skincare routine is actually for both days. A little dot of eye cream, and then I apply it like this, like from the inner corner of my eye outwards, like so. Now as I'm letting that dry, I need my face to absorb it again. I don't try to like pile on the products immediately. I just kind of let it sink in. This is my time to relax and really just feel the pampering. So after that, I'm going to use Chapstick's Classic Strawberry Skin Protectant Chapstick Lip Balm. Hydrate my lips as well. So again, I do this morning and night. Once my skin has absorbed the eye cream, I'm going to use Celotex Dermoscience Acne Solutions Acne Clearing Facial Moisturizer Gel. And oh my gosh, can I just say that this has been the biggest, I feel like this has made the biggest impact. In my previous skincare routines, if you've seen it before, I actually used the one with SPF, and while that's good for daytime routine, this is like the game changer for me. I haven't had a single breakout ever since I started using this. I would only get breakouts when I failed to use this for like 2 days straight. I swear by this product, it's so good. But again, it might be because of my skin type. It might be good because of my skin type. So give it a little try, and if it works for you, let me know in the comments below. Circular motions, obviously. I also still need to put a little bit on the neck and the chest area, so you know I don't have like a smooth face and then a wrinkly dry neck, you know what I mean. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's all I do to maintain my skin, I guess, my skin's health, whatever. And if you zoom it in, like, you can see this really dewy finish. It's pretty shiny, whatever, and that doesn't really bother me, especially when I just have to go to sleep. But when I do have to go out, I just put on primer on top of my skincare routine and then just do my everyday makeup routine, and I'm good. Just like that. It's pretty easy. No fancy serums or anything. I'm quite not used to that yet. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really quick, but I hope this was informative as well, and I hope I answered a lot of your questions on Instagram and on YouTube about skincare. So that's it. Oh, also, I just want to add that I really like the products that I use because they don't have any sort of whitening in them, and so I feel like I do use them and my skin is better, but it does not lighten my skin in any way, and it just remains, you know, bright and flawless without necessarily being lighter or fair or white. I'm just my regular morena self, just with better skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to stay confident. Bye. Mwah.
No, no, no.